Now children, your first question is based on assertion and reason, right? In assertion and reason, write the correct code, right? Codes are A, B, C and D. A code is given when assertion and reason both are correct, and reason is correct explanation of assertion, right? B code, assertion and reason both are correct, but reason is not correct explanation of assertion. C code, when assertion is true, right? Assertion is correct, but reason is not correct. False. Or assertion is true, reason is false. D code, for just opposite condition, assertion is false and reason is true, right? Now children, in assertion what is given? Following are the structural isomers of butane. What is its molecular formula? But means 4 carbon atoms. A indicates single bond between carbon atoms. Molecular formula of butane is C4H10. Following are the structural isomers of butane. First structural formula 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Second, structure is different. This is unbranched structure and this is branched. A small branch of methyl group is present here. This is CH3 group. Condensed state of C bond H bond H bond H is CH3, right? How many carbon atoms and hydrogen atoms are present in this branched structure? First of all, count the total number of atoms of each type. 1, 2, 3, 4. Same number. Then hydrogen atoms 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Same number of hydrogen atoms. Right? Here what is given? Following are the structural isomers of butane. Structural isomers. Isomers means same molecular formula but different structural arrangements. Right? Reason? Structural isomers have same molecular formula. Here molecular formula is same for each structure, but they differ in their structures. Structures are different. This is unbranched structure and this is branched structure due to the presence of CH3 group as side branch or side chain. Right? Then correct code for this question is A. Assertion and reason both are correct and reason is correct explanation for assertion. Okay children? Like this. Second question is long answer question. Different parts are given. Two elements A and B. Both elements are placed in third period. Only important points are written in this question. Two elements are unknown A and B, which are placed in third period. Right? Period number is same of modern periodic table and are in group 2 and group 13 respectively. Right? Then find out number of electrons in their atoms. In atom of A element and atom of B element. Size of their atoms. Compare the size of their atoms. Their tendency to lose electrons. The formula of their oxides and formula of their chlorides. Children, answer is based on atomic number or number of electrons. Right? Let's start from this part. First part. First of all, find out number of shells. A and B elements are placed in third period. It means how many shells are present? 3 shells. in each case, or 3 orbits in each case, because period number is 3. Group number of A element is 2. This element is placed in second group, and B element is placed in 13th group. Right? This is B element. Third period, it means how many shells or orbits are present? 3 orbits. Only this part is required. Third period. Here how many orbits are present? 3. In this case also 3 shells or 3 orbits, which are K, L, M. K, L, M. Right? Here group number is 2. It means how many valence electrons are present? 2. Right? And before outermost shell or valence shell, inner shells are completely filled. Right? Like this. 2, 8, 2. For this element 2, 8, 3. Group number 13. For example, aluminium. Atomic number of aluminium is 13. Electronic configuration 2, 8, 3. What is the group number of aluminium? 13. 10 plus 3 valence electrons is equal to 13 group number. Right? The number of electrons in their atoms. The total number of electrons in atom of A element 2 plus 8 plus 2. How many electrons are present? 12 electrons. It means atomic number is 12. Total number of electrons 13. 2 plus 8 plus 3. 13 electrons are present. Answer of this part. 12 and 13 electrons. Size of their atoms. Scientific notation you can write like this. A element with atomic number 12. B element with atomic number 13. Right? Size of their atoms. What is the common trend in the periodic table? On moving across the period or from left to right in the modern periodic table, atomic size decreases. From top to bottom, atomic size increases. The size of their atoms. Which atom is bigger? A. Size of A is bigger than B. Both elements are placed in same period, but A is coming first. A is placed before B. And common trend for atomic size is from left to right, atomic size decreases. And A, size of A atom is bigger than B. Their tendency to lose electron. Children, electron losing tendency decreases from left to right. And same tendency increases. Electron losing tendency increases from top to bottom. But your elements are placed in same period. The electron losing tendency decreases from left to right, or from A element to B element. Right? The formula of their oxides. For this formula, oxide formula or chloride formula, what is required? Valency, combining capacity. Right? And first of all, find out valency or combining capacity of each element. Valency of A element is 2. Only 2 valence electrons are present. Valency of B is 3. Right? Because 3 valence electrons are present in last orbit of B atom. Here 2 valence electrons are present in last orbit of A atom. Right? Then formula of their oxide. And what is the valency of oxygen? 2. Right? And formula of oxide of A element is AO. Bivalent. A is bivalent cation. A atom will form bivalent cation like this. A 2 plus and O is 2 minus, bivalent anion. Then combined form of atom A and atom O, it means oxygen atom is AO, like MgO, right? Second is B atom, atom of B element, oxide of B atom, like this, B2O3. Its valence is 3, cross multiply. Valency of oxygen with B atom and valency of B atom with oxygen, like Al2O3, aluminium oxide, right? Next part, last one, the formula of their chlorides. Chlorides means chlorine is halogen and combining capacity of any halogen is 1, right? 1. Then formula of chloride. Here halogen is known, which is Cl, is ACl2, like MgCl2, magnesium chloride. And formula of chloride of second element, which is B element, BCl3. This part is unknown, but this is known, chlorine, ACl2. And known formula is MgCl2, right? BCl3 and known formula is AlCl3, aluminium chloride. Okay, children? 1 mark for each part. This is long answer question. And all of you always solve in this manner. Compare unknown formula with known formula, right? Because in this case, atomic number is 12. And whose atomic number is 12? Magnesium. In this case, atomic number is 13. Whose atomic number is 13? Aluminium, right? Is that correct? Answer.